Good morning, Hornets, and welcome back to VCHS. We will have a 5-day until spring break, so let's finish out strong. We're your hosts, Howell.
And I'm Charlie. Let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hi, my name is Michaela Barnes. I'm here with your top 5 news stories of the day. Number 1, scientists are predicting the low monarch butterfly population this year. Number 2, recent renovations to the Memphis Tennessee Church reveals new connections to the Underground Railroad. Number 3, New York Medical School announces free tuition for all students after $1 billion donation. Number 4, proof copy of Harry Potter book recently sold for more than $13,000. Number 5, K-State's men's basketball sets new NCAA D1 record with 7 straight overtime wins.
Next, here's today's word and the quote of the day.
This week's word of the week is benevolent, well-meaning and kindly.
Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Martin Luther King Jr.
Getting your morning started right is key to having a great day.
And there may be, or it may not be, a better breakfast item than some fried dough.
My name is Tim Sykes, and my favorite donut is chocolate.
I'm Gabe Schaefer. My favorite donut is a maple glaze.
Hi, my name is Hunter. My favorite donut is any type, but strawberry would be my most favorite.
I'm Brayden Derrick. I'm Jackson Lawrence.
I'm Caleb.
And my favorite is a chocolate long john. Chocolate long john.
Too many sweet can rot your tooth, though, so taking care of your mouth is important.
Ryder took to the halls to see who is paying attention to their toothbrush color.
Alright, I'm here with Drake.
Rock.
What color is your toothbrush?
I don't have one.
Oh, alright.
I'd be flossing, but...
You be flossing? Show me the floss. Oh, shit.
I'm here with Aiden. Alright, Aiden. What color is your toothbrush? And what color is your toothpaste?
White and blue.
Good answer.
Alright, I'm here with
Madeline Lear.
What color is your toothbrush?
Purple.
Thank you. What color is your toothbrush? He don't brush his teeth, bro.
It's a time to look at this week's STUCCO Corner.
It's Quinn and Jasmine in the morning
with your VCHS Week at a Glance.
March 4th through March 10th.
Starting off on Monday, we have Dance Team Clinic at 6:30 p.m.
On Tuesday, there's the KBA Jazz Championship and also Dance Team Tryouts at 6:30 p.m.
Thursday, we have Girls Basketball State, time to be determined, and Dance Team Tryouts at 6:30.
On Friday, we have Dance Team Tryouts at 6:30 p.m. and Woodstock at 2 p.m.
On Saturday, we have Girls Basketball State, to be determined.
Let's keep this nice weather going from the weekend. Take a look here's at today's temperatures.
Hi, I'm Quinn, and your high today is going to be 61 and your low is going to be 33.
Now, for a quick blast in the past, let's wrap up this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
March 4th, 1933. In Washington, Franklin D. Roosevelt is sworn in as president. He pledges to lead America out of the Great Depression in his inaugural address.
So first of all, let me assert my firm belief that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
1987, also in Washington, President Ronald Reagan takes responsibility for the Iran-Contra affair. He acknowledges his administration's overtures to Tehran deteriorated into an arms-for-hostages deal.
A few months ago, I told the American people I did not trade arms for hostages. My heart and my best intentions still tell me that's true, but the facts and the evidence tell me it is not.
And 1902, birth of the AAA, as the American Automobile Association is founded in Chicago. Today in history, March 4th. David Melendi, The Associated Press.